Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm talking about 12 things I no longer buy as part of a more eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle. My name is Vega, and for those of you who do not know me, I am from justlove.com. We talk about sustainable living, reducing our environmental impact in a practical and ethical way. So welcome to our channel. If you would like to see more of our content, please hit the subscribe button, depending on which device you are at somewhere. Please hit the subscribe button or the like button so that we can meet again. Things I no longer buy. 1. Shower gel. 2. Liquid hand soap. Those usually come in a plastic bottle and it's jam-packed to the brim with chemicals. So don't buy those anymore. I buy bar soap now. Handmade versions that you can buy locally usually. There's so many companies that do that now. I like the Little Soap Company, which I can get from Boots. They distribute there. Yay! Or you can buy it from Amazon if you so prefer. Plastic food wrap is number 3. I've replaced that with reusable wraps. You get the vegan version. This is the vegan version, which smells wonderful. Or you get the beeswax ones. This particular one is from a company called Be Zero Waste. You can find them on the website bezerowaste.com, or they are also on Amazon if you so prefer. But this is reusable and a wonderful addition to the kitchen. Number 4, plastic kitchen sponges. They're usually yellow and green and are solely made of plastic. So I've replaced mine. So look who I have. It's a little rabbit. He's just jumped up on the sofa. Plastic kitchen sponges are replaced with a dish brush. These are plastic free and they last a really long time, so you don't have to replace them so often. Number 5, high volume fashion. I no longer buy from high street stores that support high volume fast fashion, or is greenwashed, support sustainable brands, plan my wardrobe really well, buy less stuff, buy secondhand if I can. Number 6, plastic bath poofs. I used to buy this all the time, but I've stopped doing that now. I just still have that with this one. I can't get rid of it. But I don't buy this anymore because it's made purely of plastic and it would probably, if it ends up in a river, harm an animal. So definitely don't want to buy this anymore. I replace it with a soap bag that you can wash and lasts a very long time. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this. Maybe it can be a fascinator of some description. Number 7, hummus. I make hummus now. I don't buy it because it comes in a plastic container, usually from the supermarket. So I make it. There's a recipe in the comments or in the description down below that I have left if you'd like to learn how to make your own hummus. But if you make it from the can version, the cans are recyclable. It takes literally like 10 or 15 minutes, or you can make it from scratch using dried chickpeas if you'd like. Single-use plastic water bottles. If you don't live in a third world country where your water is contaminated, you don't need to buy them. Get tap water. Most of the European area, the US, Australia, those sorts of places, we don't need to buy bottled water because we've got good tap water. Get a reusable bottle, maybe a stainless steel one or a plastic reusable one, and use those. Make sure you take it with you when you go out. Number 9, breakfast bars or protein bars. Now, for those people who have ever worked in an office with me or know me well, I'm always hungry. So those are one of my go-to things that I could just pick up quickly and just have a snack. But they come in a non-recyclable packaging usually, and they're filled with sugar. So don't eat them. Don't buy them. It's not cool. 10, basic range supermarket vegetables. I now get a veg box delivery every once a week. They use less packaging. Most of it's packaged in cardboard. They deliver it to my door. They take the box back the next week. There's less waste. So that's win-win for everybody. Try to get a veg box delivery if you can, or buy from your local market or farm shop. Always try and get organic and buy the best you can afford. Number 11, paper napkins. I replaced paper napkins with a cloth version. does feel like you're in a posh restaurant, so it's got an added bonus there. But replace your paper napkins with a cloth version. Just be careful not to buy polyester, rather buy natural cotton, because you'll end up with microplastics when you wash them. Da, 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 da. Last but not least, number 12, plastic cutlery, plastic cups, and plastic straws. Skip those always. If you are eating lunch at M&S, don't take the plastic cutlery. Bring some durable ones in your bag or get them in the office. I've also stopped buying plastic cups, which I used to keep some for kids, my friends' kids when they came to visit, but I've stopped using those and gone for more than single-use cutlery cups and so forth. So those are the things that I no longer buy as part of a more sustainable and lower waste life. Hopefully they are practical enough so that you can implement them. I've watched a documentary yesterday, stupidly 2 in a row. Don't ever watch 2 environmental documentaries 2 in a row. It's very depressing. So I watched Plastic Ocean yesterday, and it just kind of reiterated the fact that we shouldn't be buying as many plastic products because it ends up in the ocean. Our recycling gets shipped off somewhere else. If you live in the UK and the US, our recycling gets shipped over to a third world country. They get blamed for our trash in the river. The trash from the river goes into the ocean, and the ocean birds and sea life eat this, and they literally die of starvation. So please stop buying plastic stuff. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting and watching our video. If you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. It is somewhere, depending on what device you are, and like our video, and hopefully to see you soon.